What's up, guys? It's me, and today we have Symphony. He's arriving at the St. Thomas. So, it's speeding. Hold on, guys. Let me go sit down real quick. Because it's going to be a 3-minute video. Yeah, there it is. 3 minutes. So, yeah. Gotta get a comfortable spot. So that's when, like, the camera's shaking so much. Ooh. Oh, yes. What's wrong with my zoom? Here it is. Perfect. I remember when that thing used to come in forwards. That was huge. It was pretty big back then. And it still is that big. I remember when that was the biggest cruise ship in the world. Now we got straight up icon of the seas. Fun fact, one of the seas could hold 7,000 passengers. That can hold 6,800. Wow. Symphony of the Seas is back. I missed it. I really missed Symphony of the Seas. And now it's back to us. Now it's back with us. I really missed it. That thing. How do they do this? How do they do that? Oh yeah, I forgot the pilot boat went out. Is that glare? Or is that something in the water? From this camera, it looks like glare. So yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy this. Shout out to Kareem Dal Bazaar. He hit 50 subscribers. Now he can live stream. I need to get 50 so I can live stream. Peace out, guys.